friends, welcome to Visava Foods channel. Today I have tried to make handwo with corn meal and boiled corns. So let's start with the recipe. So first I have taken 2 cup of corn, that is sweet corn. I have kept it for boiling. So we will boil it for 10 minutes. Now the corn has boiled nicely, it has cooked nicely for 10 minutes. Now let it get cool. When it gets cool, then I will crush it in the grinder. Friends, here I have taken 2 cups of makai ka atta, that is maize flour. Quarter cup of besan, that is chane ka atta. 2 cups of corn I had boiled and I have crushed it. I have crushed it with little water. I am going to add half chopped onion, half cup of chopped cabbage, half cup of chopped coriander leaves, and 2 green chilies I have cut into small pieces. So I am going to mix. So I will mix cabbage, coriander, chili and onion in this mixture. Crushed garlic. Four pods of garlic I have crushed. 4 teaspoon of curd I will take, 4 to 5 teaspoon. I will add salt. I will add quarter teaspoon of ajwain seeds. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I will add 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. Friends, now I will add bicarbonate of soda, half teaspoon. Now we will add little water and then we will mix it. Friends, I have taken the mixture in a big pan. I will add half cup of water. First I have added only half cup of water because while grinding the corn I had added little water. Friends, I have added 1 cup of water. And already while crushing the corn, I had added little water in it. So you can see the consistency, it is like this. Mix it nicely. Salt and chili powder you can adjust according to your taste. Friends, I am adding some whole corns also, which I have not crushed. The whole corns are boiled. Friends, I have kept the kadai. For this recipe I will be using kadai. Now the gas is on and I have added little oil and white sesame seeds. The sesame seeds have started spluttering. Now we will add the batter. The batter which we have prepared, I have divided into 3 portions. Friends, I have put the batter. Now we will spread it. While spreading, be careful. The oil is hot. flame should be very low. Friends, I have spread the batter. The flame should be very low. Now we will cover it with the lid. We will wait for 3 minutes. After cooking it for 3 minutes, we will remove the lid and we will check. Friends, I have removed the lid. So from here it's turning brown, but still it is wet over here. So we will have to wait. I will cook it for 2 more minutes. I will cover it with the lid and we will wait. After 2 minutes, it has puffed nicely. Now we will turn it. Again we will cover it with the lid and we will cook the other side. We will cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Friends, now we will remove the lid. Friends, now I will put the knife. As we are checking the cake, knife is very clear. Nothing is sticking over here. That means it is ready. So we will remove it. It has become nicely crispy and from inside it is soft. So we will serve it in a plate. Friends, our cornmeal handwo is ready. We will serve it. I have served it with homemade sauce. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe to Visava Foods channel. Thank you.